Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this segment, I explain why people combine CLA and L-Carnitine and what each compound does. Take CLA at about 2 grams daily divided with meals to improve fat partitioning, and take L-Carnitine at 1 to 2 grams 30 minutes before exercise to support fatty acid transport into mitochondria. Combining them targets both chronic metabolic signaling and acute fuel use. Expect gradual changes over weeks. These are supportive supplements, not magic, and they work best alongside controlled calories, protein intake, and consistent resistance training. Discuss safety. Avoid CLA if you are pregnant, nursing, or have been advised by your clinician to avoid it for metabolic issues. Stop both supplements and consult a clinician if new symptoms arise. L-Carnitine commonly causes mild gastrointestinal upset or a fishy body odor in some people, and rare neurologic effects at very high doses. Monitor blood glucose and lipid panels, because CLA can modestly alter insulin sensitivity and blood lipids. People with diabetes or dyslipidemia should get medical clearance first. Here is a practical schedule. Take CLA as 2 grams daily divided with meals, for example 0 g with breakfast, 0 g with lunch, and 2 g with dinner, to improve absorption and reduce GI upset. Take L-Carnitine at 1 to 2 grams about 30 minutes before training or the main daily activity to maximize transport effects. Use an 8 to 12-week supplementation cycle, then reassess body composition, energy, and blood tests before continuing. Always prioritize diet, protein, sleep, and progressive exercise.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.